back to Tech Blast, where we give you the best tips to improve your classroom learning. This week's tip is the voice-to-text feature in Google Docs. This is a great way to do planning, start off essays, or for languages work. To do this, what you want to do is go to the Tools icon on the top navigation bar on your Google document, and then go down until you see the voice typing button here. Then this will show up. To start recording, all you want to do is click on the microphone, and then everything you say will be transcribed into your Google Doc. And as you can see, it's fairly accurate, and you can always go back and change the bits that you don't like. And when you're done, just click on the red microphone button again to stop. If you want to find out more on how to use this, as well as a more in-depth explanation, click or tap the screen right now or check the link in the description box below.